Have you ever wondered if there's more to the world than what we see? A hidden realm, just beyond our sight. For three friends, Alara, Finn, and Lyra, that wonder became their reality. One day, while exploring deep in the woods, they stumbled upon something extraordinary. A shimmering gateway to a magical forest. A place whispered about in old legends but never before seen. This wasn't just any forest. The trees hummed with ancient energy, the rivers sparkled with liquid light, and creatures of myth and folklore roamed freely. But this enchanting world was in peril. A creeping shadow, a formless blight, born of forgotten magic, was slowly draining the forest of its color and life. The magical inhabitants, from the mischievous pixies to the wise old treants, were losing hope. Elara with her brave heart, Finn with his clever mind, and Lyra, with her deep connection to nature, knew they couldn't just stand by and watch this beautiful world fade away. They weren't powerful sorcerers or legendary heroes. They were just ordinary kids who had found something worth fighting for. Their journey wasn't easy. They had to solve ancient riddles left by the forest's first guardians, navigate Toriakidas's shifting landscapes, and earn the trust of the mystical creatures they met along the way. Their greatest challenge was confronting the shadow itself. They realized it wasn't a monster to be fought with weapons, but a sadness to be healed with light and unity. Combining Alara's courage, Finn's ingenuity, and Lyra's compassion, they channeled their own friendship and hope into the heart of the forest. This act of pure, selfless connection created a wave of light that pushed back the darkness, restoring the forest's vibrant magic and healing its ancient wounds. The three friends didn't just save the magical forest, they transformed it forever. They taught its inhabitants that the greatest magic of all comes from courage, wisdom, and the unbreakable bond of friendship. They became the new guardians, bridging the gap between our world and the hidden realm, ensuring its light would never dim again. Their story reminds us that even the most ordinary people can make an extraordinary difference. Thanks for watching! If you love stories about magic and friendship, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more adventures. See you next time!